Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off with EURUSD. We already have it uploaded on our screen. I want us to see what we expect to happen this week, this today, and also what we expect to be happening by Monday. So today we are having an indicator which we'll be looking at. This custom-made indicator is just the normal MACD, but our case it has not been made as the MACD, the one we know. So it is just the MACD itself. There is nothing special to it. Now I want us to look at it like this. This is GBPUSD. We have a very good downtrend from this point. You can see very well that this is when we had the sell signal here. The price crossed, it gave us a good sell signal. So far the price has been bearish. So as it is right now, we still are indeed looking for sell positions on this chart. It means that if the price does not, if we don't see any buy signal based on this indicator, we may as well be watching for breakouts below these zones like 1.25369. If the price can descend and close below this line, then that will be a good place to mean that the price is continuing even lower. So if this happens, that the price touches this level and ends up breaking below it, then that will be the best place to consider looking for more sell positions from. But if for some reasons the price ends up breaking above this high, which is the previous highest high from this point, then this can as well be a good place to look for a buy from. So we are inside a range. We have this one and we have this one. If the price descends below this line, that will be a sign that we are continuing downwards. If the price breaks above this line, then that will be another sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So that should be my opinion on this chart. The other chart is EURUSD. So it turns out that EURUSD is now starting an uptrend. You can see it's showing signs that it may be heading to the upper side. So as it is right now, we are looking for buy positions. We do expect the buyers to come in after a break above this high. This is a 1.07851. If the price can ascend above this line, then we may expect it to continue to move upwards, at least up to this level here. If this level is broken, then we do expect the price to extend even higher up to the next level, which is 1.08977. So if the price touches this level here, if it doesn't break above it, that will be a sign that we are continuing. Sorry, if the price breaks above it, then we will expect it to break through the next level, which is this one. If that happens, then we will expect the price to continue even higher up to the next level, which is 1.08977. So that is my opinion on this chart. On the seller side, I'm only going to be interested in a sell if the price descends below this line here. So should the price go and close above 1.06934, which is this line, that will give us the best place to look for a sell from. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I want us to look at is the GBPJPY. We have it here. With the GBPJPY so far, this is also upwards. We have some uptrend. So technically speaking, we do expect the price is going to continue to move to the upper side on this chart. So nothing much so far, nothing much has happened. We've not seen any serious movements to the upper side, but everything is pointing to the possibility that the price may likely continue to the upper side. So on this chart as it is right now, we are basically watching for some pullbacks. We are watching for some slight retracements. We want to see the price move downwards. We want to see the price move downwards. So if the price moves up to around 38.2% fib level or 23.6% fib level, but does not break below this swing low, then these are going to be the best places to be looking for a buy from. So we may look for a buy here. We may look for a buy here. Our stop loss is fixed below this swing low. Our first take profit is fixed around 61.8% fib level, and then the next one is at 100.0% fib level. So those are the places. They are the levels where we do expect the price to go up to. But first of all, if the price retraces down, if it does not touch those levels, then those are going to be the best places to be watching for a trade from. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen so far on this time frame, it's like the price is beginning some downtrend. If you check properly, you can see that it looks like the price is beginning some bearish trend. So I don't recommend so much a sell on this one. Ideally, I'd like to see a retracement up to this point. This is the place where I expect to buy from. I don't expect the sellers to dominate in this market as it is now. So while we don't see any clear breakout, and a close below this zone here, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So we may wait for price to touch this zone so that we pick a long position. We expect the buyers to push us back to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So when the price comes down and touches this zone, we are going to be interested in buy positions. Our stop loss is fixed below this low, and then our take profit is fixed somewhere here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.